Your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase, is the master key to your Crypto.com wallet. It's a 12 or 24 word string generated when you create your wallet. To find it, open the Crypto.com app or log in on the website. Navigate to your profile, then Settings, and finally to the Security section. Select View Recovery Phrase or Backup Wallet. You'll need to authenticate with your password, biometrics, or 2FA. The phrase will then be displayed. Never take a screenshot or store digitally. As of November 2025, Crypto.com app versions 5.2.0 and later include a secure backup wizard to verify your identity before showing the phrase, reducing phishing risks. Remember that Crypto.com does not store your recovery phrase. It's your responsibility to keep it safe. Since your recovery phrase is essential for accessing your crypto, secure backup is critical. Crypto.com emphasizes never sharing your recovery phrase. The best practice is to write it down on paper and store it offline in a secure location, like a fireproof safe. Laminating the paper can further protect it. Avoid digital storage methods, as they are vulnerable to hacking. As of 2025, Crypto.com supports exporting to hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor for added security. Be aware of phishing attempts. Never enter your recovery phrase on any website or share it via email or messaging apps. Treat your recovery phrase like nuclear codes, as advised by Crypto.com CTO. Losing or compromising your phrase can lead to irreversible loss of funds.